This gaming desktop sits right in that interesting space where affordability meets real-world performance. It's built around the AMD Ryzen 5500 processor and the Radeon RX 6600 graphics card, a combination that has become one of the most talked about entry-level gaming setups for smooth 1080p gameplay. At first glance, the system comes in a clean black tower design that feels minimal but purposeful. The front panel uses a full mesh layout, which is not just a design choice but a functional one. Airflow is a major factor in gaming PCs, especially at this price range, and this design helps maintain consistent cooling during extended gaming sessions. Inside, there is RGB lighting that adds a subtle gaming aesthetic without overwhelming the overall look of the system. The focus here is clearly performance efficiency rather than flashy presentation. The Ryzen 5500 is a 6-core, 12-thread processor that continues to hold strong in the mid-budget segment. It handles modern workloads smoothly, from gaming to everyday multitasking. While it is not positioned as a high-end CPU, it delivers stable performance where it matters most: real-world gaming and general responsiveness. Paired with it is the Radeon RX 6600, which is the real highlight of this build. Designed specifically for 1080p gaming, this GPU delivers consistent frame rates across a wide range of modern titles. Whether it's competitive shooters or demanding open-world games, the RX 6600 maintains a smooth and stable experience at medium to high settings. What makes this pairing effective is balance. The CPU and GPU complement each other well, reducing bottlenecks and ensuring that neither component holds the other back in typical gaming scenarios. In practical use, this system is capable of running popular titles with smooth performance and responsive gameplay. Fast-paced games feel fluid, while visually demanding games remain playable without heavy compromises. This makes it a strong option for gamers who want reliability without entering the high-cost segment of PC building. However, like most budget-focused systems, there are a few areas that define its entry-level positioning. The system comes equipped with 8 GB of DDR4 memory. While this is sufficient for basic use and some gaming scenarios, modern gaming standards increasingly favor 16 GB for smoother multitasking and improved stability in newer titles. The important advantage is that this system supports upgrades, allowing users to expand memory later without replacing core components. Storage is handled by a 500 GB NVMe SSD, which ensures fast boot times, quick application loading, and responsive system performance. The limitation comes in storage capacity, as modern games continue to grow in size. This means users will likely need to expand storage in the future to accommodate larger libraries. Thermal performance is one of the stronger design elements of this system. The mesh front panel combined with internal airflow optimization allows the components to stay cool under load. This directly impacts performance stability, especially during long gaming sessions where heat buildup can otherwise reduce efficiency. Noise levels remain controlled as well, which adds to the overall user experience, especially for those using the system in quieter environments. Another important aspect is upgrade flexibility. This system is not locked into a fixed configuration. Users can upgrade RAM, add additional storage, and potentially enhance components over time. This makes it more future-ready compared to many entry-level pre-built systems that limit long-term customization. From a usability perspective, this is a straightforward plug-and-play gaming desktop. It is designed for users who want to start gaming immediately without needing to assemble or configure a full custom build. Setup is simple and performance is ready out of the box. This type of system is especially suited for new PC gamers, students, or console users transitioning into PC gaming. It also works well for casual content creation, light editing, and everyday productivity tasks. The goal here is not to compete with high-end gaming rigs but to deliver consistent and dependable performance at 1080p resolution. That is where this configuration finds its strength. It focuses on stability, upgrade potential, and accessible gaming performance rather than unnecessary complexity or premium pricing. For users looking for a balanced entry into PC gaming, this system offers a practical and efficient starting point. It delivers what most gamers actually need: smooth gameplay, reasonable upgrade paths, and dependable hardware performance. If this setup fits your needs, you can check the link in the description for updated pricing and availability, which may vary depending on stock and region. At its core, this is a value-driven gaming desktop built to make PC gaming more accessible without sacrificing essential performance.